Okay, I'll just show you how to operate the sat-nav in this 2017 Mercedes Benz E Class. So from any screen, you've got Navi, radio, media here, so you can click Navi like so, or alternatively, if you're driving along and you want to use the control without looking, then onto home, there's a home button there or a home button here. That's like a touchpad and that's a rotary control. I prefer the rotary control, and you can knock that touchpad off so that you can rest your hand on there while you're operating it and you're not bounced about. I prefer that method. But anyway, if you go to the menu, then over to navigation, click to enter. You can't see anything there, it's not giving you anything. You have to knock the rotary control over to the left. If you do that, you then get a new menu, and that's got destination. So we select menu by clicking in. Enter destination, we need to go to enter destination. Click on that. Now it's got there free search, but down here you've got city and postcode. That's on the alphabet. So what I have to do is knock that forward and then knock it up to city or postcode, select city or postcode, enter city or postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, P, R. Now we need numbers, so I have to knock it back to the bottom, line 5. So at PR5, ours is only a 2-digit postcode. So there's got to be a space there. So if I knock it up to the next line, over to the space, select the space, then knock it back 2 digits, 4, knock it forward again, E, A, that's it, it's brought up PR54EA. Now I need to select that, but we're on the alphabet down there, so I need to knock that forward, knock it forward again. It's on PR54EA. Select that. It's asking me if I want a street. I don't. I just want, it's close enough, so I just wind the rotary control down to select destination, click select destination, and that's it. Start route guidance, I need to select that again.
The route is being calculated.
Now that's a bit too complicated for my liking. There's at least 2 or 3 steps in there that aren't needed. But also what you can do